Look who just came back. Oh no, the cat is making a crazy noise at the bird. And the bird flew away. I'm glad the bird did, because guess what? That cat there, she'd have got that bird. Wouldn't you? So, yeah. So Amy's had to get me off of squirrels before. And there ain't no need for it, because why? Meow. She got, well, those two are empty. But you see, my mama's cats ain't never hungry. So, she don't need to be eating nobody's bird. Ain't that right? Say, I don't need to be eating nobody's bird. I have food. Alright, so. Yes, I am happy, guys. I am up near Jacksonville at my mama's. And I have been wanting to get up here for a minute and see my... Oh, I'm shaking. I'm sorry. And see my family. Yeah, we still got Christmas ornaments out here. No, it's just those little... What are those? Little snowmen? Yeah. And kitty. I just got here yesterday. I was very happy. I just ran a car and drove myself here from down in South Florida, where I live, because I need to see my family and so and my kitty cats. So here I am. And I don't know for how long though. We'll see. And if I get some more birds or any more wild animals, I'm gonna try to get them on video. And if I get some pigs, I'll try to get them on video too.